Good evening, everyone. I'm Pong-Pong, founder of Pong-Pong. My mother suffered from depression almost all her life, and she passed away 1 year after I graduated from university. I saw her from suppressing her feelings to isolate herself to struggle with the disease. Simply start from she wants to hide the disappointment and upset from my father's continuously business failures from all the family and friends for a very long time. And she don't want to talk about it with anyone, and she refused to reach out for help. So the situation like this, actually, she's not alone. In our survey, over 60% of the people usually have the feeling that they don't have anyone to talk to because they don't think they can talk about the challenges they had in their life. And every 40 seconds, there's people die because of mental health. That's why we really want to create a safe space and to not only the safe space and the mindset to break the barriers of accessibility, all those like stigma, and to help people to build the skills like to cope with the life stress. Oh, okay, I'm too fast. So Pong-Pong is an app for millennial young people to talk about their challenges in their daily life under the categories of relationships, family drama, and like job stress, and in a one-on-one anonymous real-time chat. So two people who are related to the same topics, they will match with each other and share their stories, giving advice, and make friends for life. So Pong-Pong is not only my name, it's also inspired by ping pong game, because I feel like life is really like ping pong game sometimes, like board games. You can always win, but most of the time you need to be in the game, like make the ball rolling, and yeah, not like holding it. So the mental health software market is up to $6 billion and have a 9% annual compound growth rates. And for the first stage of our platform, we will focus on Chinese international students and immigrants and LGBT community in Canada and North America. And then we will expand to all the millennials, because those group of people, they are like more lack of like family and friend support, and also they have the urge to deal with their struggles, and they are more likely to pay for a service as well. So for the competitive landscape, actually mental health is a spectrum. It's from feeling blue to emotional well-being to depression or even further. So in this market, actually it has like, there are different ways to tackle the problems in different mental health status. And most of the players in this market are helping to make the counseling service more affordable and more accessible. And the mental wellness community software like us, there are like one launched 3 years ago, and they already have 500K users, and the other one they launched last year, so they have 48K users. And both of them are already got funding, so you can see the potential of this market. So our revenue model will be, after we have a certain amount of users, then we are going to develop our community to combine with the art therapy concept, and later we were going to help our users also match with the experts or like therapists. So we are going to charge the commissions, like platform commissions. And offline events and premium membership will be the other two that we're going to explore later. So our team, like Lily, is an amazing communication designer. She's really good at storytelling by using different form of designs. And I'm Pong-Pong. I used to help several Chinese leading startups like O4 and DD Chuxing to help them to build a strategy and to set foot in the new market and also launch the business. Okay, so we just released our web beta version, so you can visit us on pongpong.ca. And we are asking for mentorship and the engineer who's interested in this topic, and we can build this product together. Yeah. And if you are related to a product, welcome to Connect. Thank you.